huge upside seen for Walmart from phone PE asset. I don't know who phone PE is, but let's talk about that a little bit. Morgan Stanley sees even more upside potential on Walmart, okay? And even after shares notched an all-time high of 117.95 this morning, all right? That is huge for Walmart. That's a nice little upgrade. It's up $117.95, $117.95, and it's even at that all-time high, it's still seeing a lot of upside for it. All right, that means we're old. No, it doesn't mean we're old. Analyst Simeon Gutman and team think payments processor phone PE could be an Indian super app for Walmart and add $20 billion in revenue in a bull case scenario. Wow. So that's what, and with the introduction of phone PE, 77% stake, and rolling forward, our estimates valuation to 2021. Our base case for Walmart increases to $125. It's only about $5 higher from 115. So they did grow, raise their valuation $10 higher, and our bull case rises to 165 from 150. So it looks like Walmart does have some good upside. Anybody trading Walmart right now? And this is why we do these. Walmart could be a stock to keep your eyes on. Walmart could be a stock to keep your eyes on. Walmart. Now, Walmart up green candle, but it's solid, which means that the price started at the top of the candle and came down. There's a little bit of give back on this day of trading. The stock gapped up and got as high as the high here, which was the high. The high was 117.96. It's $2 or so off of the high for the day, but still higher than the previous day. That's why the candle is green. But the give back or pullback represented by this solid candle, again, the price started at the top of the candle and came down, closed the candle. I like to call that a bullish bearish candle. It's still bullish, but it's a lot of give back for the day as far as the trading is concerned. Now, it is hitting a new high over the last 3 months though, but something to still keep in mind, all right? Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.